Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So politicians are calling the shots yet again with the power of Twitter. Basically what's happened is we have Trump coming out with a tweet saying that the stimulus discussions are off, and as a net result, S&P fell over 2% and the Dow fell over 2% as well, falling 2.25%. What can I say? I mean, we've got big downs, big ups, big downs, big confusion at the moment. It probably explains a lot of what's going on in American politics at the moment. And for as long as the politicians are at this is what is going to be happening. Okay, and the politicians are going to be at this for the rest of the month, straight into the elections, as they are ruffling up votes. Okay, so once that noise is over, I think you'll get some normality back into the market. But for now, you need to have your wits about you and be very cautious about what you're doing. Now, I just want to get down to lower time frames. So this is a pretty big sell-off. Okay, we've closed this gap down here. We do have a little bit of a gap open at the bottom here, right on this level of 27155. There's two things here. So on the Dow, it's a bit of a different picture. There's the bottom of the channel. Well, I suppose not really. So on the S&P we've got a bit of a wedge. This looks like a bit of a wedge as well. The measured move is pretty much to the bottom here. Oh, sorry, wrong line. So the measured move is down here. I anticipate that that's going to be our range, to be honest. Let's just make these unselectable. So I think that's pretty much going to be the levels that we're going to trade, be short off the top and long off the bottom, and anything in between, leave it alone. Okay, so that's kind of the view that I've got. There are going to be shorts and long scalps all the way through this. There's going to be a long scalp right here at 27,459, and the nice thing about these scalps is that's a 294 point scalp. You can see there's my next level right there, or even this swing low here. So it'll be more than 100 points, or 120 points or so, which is fairly decent as a scalp. So what I'm expecting is I'm expecting the Asian bears at the moment to have a little bit of leeway. The Europe's going to wake up and go into panic mode, and it should drive the market down a bit, probably up until at least 27,459. And then we'll wait and see what transpires there. If we do get through that, then obviously then there's the next level, 27,155, and then we have the next level down here at 26,583. Now, for me, I am not interested in taking any shorts. I am only looking to buy off these levels. Okay, and the reason for that is quite simple. Overall, this trend is up. If we take a daily, overall the trend is up. There's no indication at the moment that the trend is reversed until we get below 26,583. Okay, so for now it is confusion, it's range bound, and there's a lot of support down here. So that's my view on the world at the moment. If you just pop across to the 15-minute, you'll see another little channel forming here. Where's my channel? Okay, so there you have your channel, which could also turn out to be a flag, and more than likely going to turn out to be a flag. This was a pretty big sell-off. So you'll have this sell-off, we've got the consolidation, and then as soon as Europe opens, more than likely a second leg down going to transpire. Okay, so if you are short, just keep your stops. In fact, what I would do for any shorts is do this. Watch the Fibonacci levels. This 38.2 will be key. Pull back to the 50 or 61.8 is ultimately what I would look at. And you can see this area here, which is quite a bit of resistance there. So that would be an ideal area to short this. 28,028 or 2800, somewhere in that area is what I would expect as a decent area to short. But watch this moving average on the lower time frames, because if it holds any break below that area there, okay, with a stop above there would give you a short, and your stop is going to be around 157 points. But you see, that's why I'm really not keen on the shorts. I'd rather be long off the levels, because the buyers will come in off the levels. That's what the market's designed to do. And you can get a quick 100, 150 points. And I'd rather scalp it to the upside than scalp it to the short side. Because the short side, you're going to find the bulls pushing, because they know there are shorts in the market trying to get those stops. Okay. Anyway, that's my view at the moment. Total political noise at the moment. Be very careful about how you place your trades, and make sure that you do have stop losses in. If you were long on this without a stop loss, you'd be crying right now. So just keep your stops in. Get into long trades, as soon as we're moving, stop us to entry as quick as possible. Okay. So, and you're always going to have buyers coming in off the major levels. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.